So, fish anatomy and characteristics. The documents discusses the classification of fish within the kingdom Animalia, detailing the characteristic of chordates and the two main groups of fish, Joles or Agnata and Jode or Gnatosmata, along with their subdivisions. It highlights the anatomy and reproductive methods and sensory adaptations of various classes including hogfish, lamprey, shark, and bony fish. Additionally, it describes the unique features of these fishes, such as the structure of their gills and the presence of swim bladder in their bony fish. Kingdom Animalia, phylum Chordata, subphylum Vertebra or backbone presents, the supraclass Agnata or jodefish, class Myxini or hogfish, class Cephalospidomorphi or lamprey, supraclass Gnatosmata or jodefish, class Chondrichthyas or cartilaginous fish, and the bony fish. So supraclass Agnata or Jolis fish. So class Cephalospidomorphi or lamprey, it is a parasite attached to other fish and sucks their blood. Also, it lives in the ocean. Class Myxini or hogfish. Scavenger lives in the ocean, known for its slimy secretions. So both have a cartilaginous skeleton and sucker-like mouth. So here's the example of jawless fish. Next is supraclass Gnatosmata or jawed fish. Here's the evolution of jaw. First, the fish lack jaws. Second, jaws are modification of the anterior gill supports. So class Chondrichthyas or shark and ray. So it have a skeleton made of cartilage, not bones. Most salt water, very few fresh water. Have no upper column or gills cover. Some must keep moving to breathe, and other can pump water over their gills. So, spherical, a modified slit behind the eye, assisting the shark with talking in the water during the respiration and play a major role in the bottom of dwelling shark. Have different kinds of scales that feel and look more like a sandpaper. Multiple rows of replacement teeth that steadily move forward like a conveyor belt. Sharks can lose up to 30,000 or teeth in their lifetime. Most sharks are cold-blooded, controlled the buoyancy with large liver that excrete oil. So class Chondrichthyas, reproduction. Viparous, live birth, viviparous, egg hatches internally. Oviviparous, lay egg in cases internally. So it is called the mermaid purse. Separates sexes. Male have claspers. Class Chondrichthyia sensory. Ampolla of Lonzini, electroreceptor organs used to detect the electromagnetic fields all living things produce. This number in the thousands or hundreds. So lateral line system detects the motion or variation in the water. So here is a general anatomy of a shark. So here, another is a general anatomy of a ray.
Next is class Osteiestes or bony fish. Backbone made of bone, freshwater of salt water, gills with upper column, few have lungs, fins, dorsal, caudal, pectoral, pelvic, and anal. Swim bladder, a gas-filled sac that help the fish maintain buoyancy. Shark don't have swim bladder and lateral line. Types of Osteiestes. We find most fish are this type. Fins are supported by bony structure called res. Lovifine. Fins are long, fleshy, muscular, supported by central core of bones. Thought to be ancestors of amphibians. Example are, here's the fin position. Soft dorsal fin, spinal dorsal fin, nasal opening, pectoral fin, lateral fin, pelvic fin, anal fin, and caudal fin. And next is adaptation. Adaptations have a swim or bladder, upper column, and lateral line system. This is the fish internal anatomy. The circulation of fish. Fish heart has two chambers, single lobe circulation, and blood flow into gills, pick up oxygen, gas to the body, returns to the heart. And next is reproduction. Most fish reproduce sexual and fertilize their eggs externally. Swapping is the process of fertilized eggs. Baby fish are called fry.